Hello guys! Musta everyone? So, have you already prepared your list of candidates for the elections? Anugid bala nga qualifications? Anugid bala nga mga katangian ang ginalantaw naton para botohon naton ng isang kandidato? Number one, pinakamayaman. Parang hindi na siya mag-engage pa sa korupsyon kung damo sa kwarta, di ba? Next, pinakamatapang kadamo-damo sang issues, so dapat matapang kitang leader. Number 3, pinakamatalino. Obvious ang reasons na. Number 4, ano man? Pinakakisig. Number 5, pinakagwapo. Of course, joke lang na ha. But by the way, if you have any problem, contact me through 0908-873-063 or through my messenger account, which is John Dudes Letran, or you can also open my Facebook account and see there, from my cover photo, the landline numbers of TLC DECA and TLC Main. Okay? Para na yung enrollment namon, which has been going on. By the way, medyo puno-puno ng aton nga grades 2 to 4, first come, first served lang. Of course, we're still open for the other levels for TLC DECA and Main. Okay, so enrollment is only until the end of May because our classes start June 23. Okay, so let's go back. Ano gid bala, no? Ano gid bala ang dapat tulukon naton sa isa ka leader para botohon naton siya? Simple lang okay? We should choose a candidate who fears God more than anyone else, more than anything else. Why? Because if a person fears God, he will only do things that glorify the Lord and things that are beneficial to the people. Okay? So that means pag ang tao may kahadlok sa Ginoo, that is already understood, he's got a right relationship with God, and so he may not be perfect, pero tungod kay sakto yung relationship sa Ginoo, di gid siya magpabilin sa mga binuang-buang mga butang, di ba? So hindi ba siya pinakamayaman, di siya pinakamatalino, pero pag palangga niya ang Ginoo more than anyone else, more than anything else, I assure you, I guarantee you, okay, the economy will flourish. Ma-improve kita iyan, no? Kay I believe pamatian gid sa Ginoo iyang handom iyang mga pangamuyo. Okay? So don't forget, the Word of God tells us to pray for our leaders. So kung sino mga leaders subong before sa elections kay ini kun kapadalagan pa sila tipang muyuan naton sila if it's God's will for them, no? Although maybe many of us have already listed the candidates that we will be voting for, but maybe 11th hour i-change po sa Ginoo ang aton nga una. Yes, let's do this not just for the sake of our friends, but for the sake of everyone. Okay? So may mga kinamangay ko no, may mga wala ko na kaintindi kay wala ko na wala ko yaga sapak sa mga amang mo sina, no. Okay, so God bless everyone, God bless everyone. Just keep on praying, and we will not be led astray. Okay, God bless.